Okay, so I'm in Google Slides and I've got a blank page right here, and all I did was got rid of the text that was on there. So over here, on the second slide down, I've gone into the internet using insert and image and down to search the web, and I found this tabletop, breakfast table tabletop. It's got a cup on there already. Now I am going to drag over my clip art that I got from Teachers Pay Teachers. I think it's free at the moment if you want it, but you do have to register. And what I'm going to do is grab a plate, the coloured plate, that one there. So I'll go back into this blank one, back into my clip art, and drag the clip art that I want to use in my movie. So the plate is definitely what I want to use. And then I will use a strawberry. I will use the jam toast. I will use pancakes. I might use another plate, but that's okay. Let's go back and grab an egg. That's going to work. And I might just grab in a blueberry. So this is my slide that I'm going to take clip out from to make onto this frame here. So I'm going to click on the plate, right click, copy, go back onto my new frame, right click and paste. Right. So I'm going to start with my plate there. This will be my beginning frame. With this here, I'm now going to right click, duplicate. There's no keys here, so you just have to duplicate using the right click, and I'm going to slightly move it. Right click, duplicate, slightly move it, and do that for about 10 slides. Okay, now I'm going to right click again, duplicate, and this is my new slide. Go back up to the original slides and grab something that you want to put on your plate. For instance, I'm going for the pancake. So I'm going to right click, copy, go down to my last frame that I made, and then I'm going to right click and paste. I'm going to make these pancakes bigger so they fit the plate, and it's going to be off frame to start off with. One thing I didn't do was make the tabletop fill up my whole area, but that's okay, I don't mind. So I could start here if I wanted to. Right click, duplicate, and keep moving the pancake. The idea is to make it look like a proper cartoon that's moving by itself, but of course you need many frames. Okay, so far so good. Now I'm going to get the blueberry. Actually, I might get the strawberry and blueberry. Paste. Excuse the noise in the background. We're having Art Deco and we've got planes. Old-time planes from the 1930s going overhead. It's pretty cool. Okay, so here's the strawberry. We're going to start there because I want to. And again, let's move these. And eventually these images are going to go on the pancakes themselves. So far so good. Let's go and grab something else. I'm going to grab the plate again, copy, and we're going to paste it in. This can be a little side plate or something. I might grab the egg at the same time here, but we might start with that off. Again, great. I'm now going to get the knife and fork. So I can see a knife and fork right here. So let's drag that onto this one, smaller. Okay, so we'll make that over here. Let's grab the knife, smaller, and we'll pop it over here. Okay, I'm going to try and move this plate over and move these in here and here. This one's quite tricky because what I want to do is move the fork around here, go through, turn it around and bring it back down here. take a few slides. Okay, so I think there is my short movie of how to move images. Clip art images that you can get off the internet or websites or in general. Let's go and play it. So easy, all you do is go up to File, go to Share, go to Publish to the Web, change that to every second, start slideshow as soon as the player loads, publish. Yes, I'm sure. I'm going to copy that Command C on a Mac. I think it's Control C on PCs or Chromebooks. Then I am now going to go into a new tab. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to just paste in that tab. Now it says 1,000 up here. I'm going to get rid of one of the zeros. And hopefully when I press return, my movie will start. And just like that, after 120 something frames, I've made my short movie, but it's a great way of showing students or having fun with how to make movies using stop animation and Google Slides for free. Thanks for watching, everybody. Do check my other videos out for how to use Canva and other things. Bye-bye.